Alright, good afternoon. Today we bought a Predator generator, 2000 watt at Harbor Freight. We bought it because we had a power outage the other day. Power was up for about 6 hours. We were concerned about our sump pump and the basement flooding. Fortunately, our basement didn't flood, but in the future we want to prepare ourselves just in case. $500 generator is well worth it when your insurance deductible is $1,000. So today we went and purchased this, and we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So we got a manual here. Put that up to the side. Got some 110 plug and some gator clips. Got some tools. I'm sure the manual will tell us what these are for. Pretty low in foam. Looks like everything we have in the box. Right out now looks pretty comparable to the Honda units that are about twice as much. Another reason we don't want the quiet unit, we live in a kind of a closer community here, so we don't want, if we are running a generator, we don't want to disturb the neighbors or anything like that. So that's why we went with the quiet model. Really a pretty nice unit. That pretty much is the unboxing. We'll follow along with another video as far as putting oil in it and doing a startup and test and evaluation. Thanks for watching.